Okay guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called Umbo Villa and it's located in Koh Samui. This is a pretty small hotel, only 12 rooms I think. Very unique and very out of the way. Here's the bed, very comfortable, pretty good sized room. Cool ceiling. And the bathroom is huge. There are some issues in the bathroom. You can see there the paint's coming off the wall. Not a big deal, but it happened. Like I say, this bathroom is huge. Even get a cool hat. You see the paint? That could be fixed. But the bathroom is huge. The mini bar. I think everything is included except for the drinks. The water is included, the snacks are included, and the coffee and tea making stuff. I just drank the water, not all of it. There was a lot. Here's looking out the front at night. Amazing view, very quiet. The beach is quite small here. Every room has its own little dipping pool. Can't call it a swimming pool, but there is a pool right below here as well. Those are the boats out there, fishing boats. And the restaurant is right there. I think the restaurant is only open for breakfast. Here's a look at the pool from the other side and the front of my room. This place is right on the highway and it's located northwest corner of the island, a little bit out of the way, but not that big a deal. If you're not driving and you're doing some tours, the tour guys will pick you up anywhere, so it don't matter where you stay. It's just a nice quiet place to get away from the crazy and just relax. This is really cool walking through here. It's really tight. This hotel is considered 3.5 stars on Agoda. It has a 9.1 out of 10 rating, which is really good, but there's only 946 reviews, so not that many. I paid 5,500 baht a night. I stayed here for 2 nights. I'll put the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check this place out. Check out the prices on your dates. The prices in Koh Samui, they change a lot during the season, that's for sure. Depending on the season and how busy they are, the prices can double overnight. There's the swimming pool. Not huge, but it's alright. This was early in the morning before anybody got up. Pretty nice, yeah? I like it here because of the boats, but that's just me. There's breakfast, a few people eating. And my room was right there on the corner. Breakfast, order off a menu. Plenty of selection, and the food was really good. And there's boats, did I say that? Some spicy Thai food, really good. And this croissant breakfast sandwich, it was so good the first day, I had it again the second day. Absolutely insanely good. And there's the view. Like I say, not much of a beach here, but it's very fine sand. At high tide, the beach pretty much disappears, and at low tide, it's a lot bigger. It goes out quite a ways. But a beautiful view early in the morning and late at night, that's for sure. And you get to see the sunset here. Getting to the $1 million question, would I stay here again? Absolutely. See, there's even horses. That has nothing to do with this hotel. But there was quite a few horses on the beach, which is really cool. Another look at the pool. And now we'll go see some horses. There's the beach. Like I say, nothing special. But it's really, really flat. You can walk out there a long ways. No idea what the deal is with the horses, but apparently you can rent them and go for a walk on the beach. Don't get kicked by the horse. Beautiful animals, huh? See all the boats out there? It's a busy spot. As you can see, really, really flat, yeah? Not a friendly dog. Alright guys, there it is. That's my review of the Umbo Villa. Pretty amazing place, nice and quiet. I definitely stay here again. And like I said, I'll put a link to Agoda in the video description if you want to go and check it out. As always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.